My favorite teacher is not one but all. As I took little steps towards the school's hall, I knew it was a beginning of a journey to mend us all. I could see the teachers as the guiding lights. They labored hard to bring out the best and right. They are called teachers, but no less than God. My favorite teacher is not one but all.
She is smart, polite, and kind. She has a very sweet voice. She teaches me maths. She had made maths easy and interesting for me. When I do good, she appreciates me. But when I falter, she supports me and says, "No problem, child, you can do it." But who is she? She is my class teacher, Mrs. Vandana George ma'am. I love you, ma'am. You are the sweetest.
Raymond sir is my favorite teacher. He always teaches us with fun. He teaches us music in such a way that we never forget. Raymond sir is passionate about music and bike, which I also like. A Kawasaki Ninja HR 1000. Sir always encourages us even if we sing wrong. Thank you, Raymond sir. Sir, be with me always and guide me always, sir.
My favorite teacher. She is Akansha ma'am, which teach me science. Actually, she says "bacha bacha" to everyone, which I like the most in her. She always she always give me chance to tell the answer in class, and by chance, if I don't know the answer, she never scolds me. She always say me that you need to do a little bit of hard work because exams are also coming near, so we can get a little bit help from it. And I like to say and give answers in the class the most because I like the way she studies. She's steady.
I love all my teachers, but Sujata ma'am is my favorite among all. She is our class teacher and she teaches us the subject English. I used to like English, but when Sujata ma'am taught us, it became very interesting and I started loving it. She is very kind and polite and she teaches everything in a fun and simple way. She is also sometimes a bit strict, but that is required. I am forever grateful to Sujata ma'am.
Although I like all the teachers, but yes, Adhikari sir is my favorite teacher. He is PT teacher in my school. He teaches us about physical exercise. He encourages the student by saying in Bengali style like "keep it up, well done, very good." I always enjoy his class.
सुप्रभात प्यारे बच्चों, आशा करती हूँ आप सब ठीक ठाक होंगे। आप सब अपनी निकुंज पुस्तिका निकाल लीजिए। तो बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे पाठ नंबर 1। कविता का नाम है एक पेज नंबर 1 पर।
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
जी बच्चे।
मैम आई जॉइन लेट, कैन यू प्लीज?
एक मिनट बच्चे, ये कौन सी क्लास है?
मैम हिंदी की।
तो फिर बेटा हिंदी में बोलिए ना, अंग्रेजी भाषा के शब्द अंग्रेजी की क्लास में इस्तेमाल कीजिए।
जी मैम। मैम अब बता सकती है कि कौन सी पेज नंबर खोलनी है?
बेटा कौन सी नहीं, कौन सा होता है, और खोलनी नहीं, खोलना होता है।
जी मैम। मैम कौन सा पेज नंबर खोलना है?
बेटा पेज नंबर 1।
जी मैम।
नीरू मैम, आशा करती हूँ आपको मेरी एक्टिंग पसंद आई होगी। लव यू मैम, यू आर द बेस्ट।
My favorite teacher is Babita because she always helps me and she is very kind. She taught me when I was in class 3 in Mount Carmel School. Although every teacher is the best, but my favorite is Babita ma'am. She always helps me when I was in any difficulties or any problems. That was my best year ever.
My favorite teacher, Miss Sonia Abbey ma'am. Children, go to page 54. Before we go to the next lesson, we will do a quick recapitulation. Are we on the same page? Ashish, what's the time left? We love you, Sonia ma'am.
गुड आफ्टरनून चिल्ड्रन। पिछली क्लास में हमने क्या किया था? कौन बताएगा? उमेश बताएगा। बताओ क्या किया था? सर हमने चिड़िया के जैसे उड़ो कि राजा को स्तुति किया था। ठीक है, इस बार मैं आपको यीशु मेरा कैप्टन देश हिंदुस्तान, यीशु मेरा कैप्टन देश हिंदुस्तान,
यीशु मेरा कैप्टन देश हिंदुस्तान, हम बजाए गिटार, तुम बजाओ गिटार, जिंग 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 जिंग। ठीक है, अब टाइम ओवर हो गया, बाकी का मैं आपको अगली क्लास में बताऊंगा, ठीक है? बाय, स्टे हैप्पी, स्टे सेफ एंड वेयर योर मास्क। My favorite teacher is my class teacher. She is Mini Ashram and is teaching maths. She has full knowledge of her subject. Her teaching is very impressive and interesting. She loves all her children very much by heart. Her voice is very soft and she is very polite and kind. She always wears clean clothes. She always helps every student and likes well-disciplined students. She is funny and gives us quizzes sometimes. She never makes any difference between students.
My favorite teacher is Preeti Thakur ma'am. She is very astute and knowledgeable. She spreads joy and cheer, even in our virtual class. I am always ecstatic to join her classes. No question can be too perplexing when taught by Preeti ma'am. I hope to bloom into a great mathematician under her guidance and care. Thank you for all you have done, Preeti ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों, मैं हूँ आपका तबला टीचर अरविंद कुमार पांडे। तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे 3 ताल का ठेका। सुनिए। तो कार्तिक राव एक बार बजाओ। बहुत अच्छी कार्तिक राव, ऐसे ही प्रैक्टिस करते रहो। मैं अभी दूसरे बच्चों के पास जाता हूँ।
For students, a teacher is the one who influences their character, habits, career, and education in life. I have a teacher in my life who is important to me. I study in Mount Carmel School. My favorite teacher is Miss Sonia Abbey. She is teaching me maths. She is not only jovial, sweet, and kind, but is also strict whenever needed. She guides us and lets us know our real talent.
I love all of my teachers, but my favorite teachers are Miss Vandana George, who teaches us mathematics, and Miss Archana Goel, who teaches us EVS. Miss Archana Goel was my EVS teacher in previous class as well. I love both mathematics and EVS as they both teach us really well. Both are very kind, caring, and loving. They encourage us to do well in our studies, and their guidance is immensely valuable.
बच्चों में कितनी बार बताओ, कंप्यूटर शुद्ध हिंदी अच्छे से नहीं लिखता है, वो शुद्धार्थ गलत लिखा रहा है। बार बार क्यों कॉपी कर रहे हो? और मैंने इतनी बार लिखा है, वो भूल गए तुम लोग? हाँ, इसके जैसे करो, फास्ट कॉपी। और ये वाला वर्क भी जल्दी से करो। चुप, ये वर्क करो। अगर मैंने दूसरा स्टेप खोला फिर मत करना वो। और इशू बेटा, क्यों अभी तक तुमने वर्चन का वर्क नहीं दिया है? जल्दी से दे दो, ओके?
Favorite teacher is all the teachers, but the best I like is Hindi teacher Anjula Sharma ma'am. Just because she is really sweet, polite, and let us play so many games. I like you even and all the teachers, but I like the best, and she teaches us so nicely that every child can understand really nicely. And she is the best.
Teacher is P.S. Adhikari sir. Jumping jacks. Very good. Outstanding. Now second exercise. Push up. Very good. Outstanding. Why 35? Why not 42? Why are you not doing exercise? Not good.
I love my science teacher Divya Singh because she is very kind, she is so polite, and she is my favorite teacher.
My favorite teacher is Akanksha ma'am. She always relieves the eager self that I am. She teaches us science of magnets and bones and shushes us students of silence while we shout and groan. one distinct thing that she manages to stir the word bacha in every conversation with her. This is about my favorite teacher and her very special feature.
वे कक्षा के आरंभ होने पर प्यारे बच्चों से शुरुआत करती थी। गुस्सा होने पर भी वे हमें प्यार से समझाती थी। कभी कठोर शब्दों का इस्तेमाल नहीं करती थी। वे हमसे कहती थी कि हमें अंग्रेजी शब्दों का प्रयोग हिंदी की कक्षा में नहीं करना चाहिए, इससे हमारी हिंदी बहुत मजबूत हो जाएगी। आज मैं आप सभी से अपनी हिंदी मैम के बारे में, नीरू मैम के बारे में इसलिए बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि आज मुझे उनकी बहुत याद आ रही है और आज उनकी ही वजह से मेरी हिंदी इतनी शुद्ध हुई है।
Favorite teacher is Ishita Shergal ma'am. She teaches us the subject English. I like her because she makes us understand the concepts through easy, fun and interesting ways like Mentimeter. She gives each one of us an opportunity to express ourselves. She is a very lovely and kind teacher.
My favorite teacher is Preeti Thakur ma'am. She is my math teacher. She is kind, loving, caring and lovely. She likes to serve stuff and she is obsessed with tables. In every class she will ask us the tables and she will always tell us to learn the tables number 1 to that.
My favorite teacher is Mr. Samuelson. He is the best teacher I ever have taught. He always helps me and he is very funny but also very powerful. He is very cute and also he is too kind. He never does anything wrong. He is the perfect person I have ever seen.
My favorite teacher name is Vandana ma'am. She is very polite and speaks softly. She clears all the doubts and makes us understand all the concepts efficiently. I like when she uses blackboard and other teaching aids during the class.
My favorite teacher is Sakshi ma'am. She teaches us art. She teaches us interesting and various types of things. I love Sakshi ma'am, but I also love all the teachers in my school.
My physical education teacher is my favorite teacher. His name is Mr. B.S. Adhikari. He teaches me physical education, because of which it is also my favorite period. I like to do exercises because of his presence. If someone feels lazy, he tells some motivational stories to make him or her active on time. He motivates us to stay fit and healthy in this pandemic situation. I like when he says, "Very good, very good."
My teacher is Akansha Chaudhary ma'am. She is a science teacher and she teaches us in 6th F. So she does like this. Hello bachas. Today we will do chapter 16, Garbage in and Out revision.
Anuja ma'am, you are my favorite because you are kind, gentle and very slow to anger. You have long hair and TVS is my favorite subject because of you. How kindly and gently you taught us. I wish I could see you face to face on this Teacher's Day. And if you forgot who I am Rebecca Eldora Das, who was your favorite student in class 3, section B, 2019. Miss you ma'am. Happy Teacher's Day.
Hello everyone! Guess who I am? Yes, you are right. I am Abhishek sir. So everyone, today we are going to learn a new song. Bada machli, yo naako kha gayo re. मछली ससुर ससुर भागने लगी. 3 दिन के बाद उगल दिया रे. Everyone, now मुझे आप पता है कि आप सब लोग एक्टिंग में बहुत अच्छे हैं, पर अब आपकी एक्टिंग यहाँ पे मत दिखाइए, गाना को गाइए. आप म्यूट पे हमेशा ऐसे एक्टिंग करते रहते हैं, पर इसे अभी नहीं दिखाना. तो गाते हैं।
Mrs. Rachana Goyal is my favorite teacher in class 4. She teaches us EVS. She has a very unique style of teaching the subject through the presentations and charts. She is very caring by nature.
All the teachers are my favorite, but Neeru ma'am is my most favorite teacher. She's a wonderful teacher. सुप्रभात प्यारे बच्चों, आशा करती हूँ आप सब ठीक ठाक है। चलिए पाठ को दोहराते हैं। वाह शाबाश बच्चों।
My favorite teacher is I.D. Mathyam sir. He teaches us value education in a very good manner. He is very entertaining and play games with us. He is a calm, soft-spoken and handles everything very nicely. I like I.D. Mathyam sir because he teaches us moral values in a very entertaining.
Although all the teachers are equally good, there's one teacher whom I admire and like the most. Her name is Mrs. Anjula Sharma. She is our class teacher. She teaches us Hindi. She holds the most pleasing personality among all other teachers. Sometimes she even conducts quizzes and other educational games in the class. I admire her the most and hope to be like her when I grow up.
Maths was always my favorite subject. My love for maths grew deeper with the teaching of Vandana ma'am. She made maths so easy by explaining the problems clearly as well as by giving shortcuts to solve problems. I like the creativity involved in her teaching. Vandana ma'am is so soft-spoken, gentle, and she makes sure that every child gets a chance to answer in her class. And additionally, she gives me a confidence in using tricks to solve maths accurately with speed. She is no less than Dr. Jameen Faust, the best maths teacher in the world.
सुप्रभात प्यारे बच्चों, आशा करती हूँ आप सभी ठीक ठाक होंगे। तो अभी 34 बच्चे आ चुके हैं। थोड़ी सी प्रतीक्षा करते हैं, सब बच्चों को आ जाने दीजिए। और आज हम एक नई कविता शुरू करने वाले हैं अपनी हिंदी पुस्तक से, हिंदी निकुंज पुस्तक से। उस कविता का शीर्षक है हम अनेक किंतु एक, जिनके रचयिता हैं श्री द्वारिका प्रसाद माहेश्वरी। तो चलिए एक साथ बोलते हैं ये कविता।
A teacher takes the hand, opens the mind and touches the heart. This is true for all the teachers who have taught me over the years. I like all my teachers and it won't be fair to choose one because they all work hard to bring out the best in us. But if I have to choose one, I will say Sheena ma'am because she teaches my favorite subject. I like the way she teaches. She gives equal attention to all the children. She is polite and friendly. She doesn't punish us, though she expects strict discipline in the class. She is always smiling. I thank God for all my wonderful teachers.
मेरी सबसे प्रिय अध्यापिका जी का नाम है अंजुला शर्मा और वो मेरे हिंदी की अध्यापिका हैं। ऐसे मेरे को सारी अच्छी लगती है पर सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे अपनी हिंदी की अध्यापिका लगती है। वो कभी डांटती नहीं है और गुस्सा भी आता है तो वो बहुत धीरे से और बहुत आराम से प्यार से हमें समझाती है। वो हमें हर चीज़ का सलाह भी देती है, इसलिए मेरे को अपनी हिंदी की अध्यापिका जी बहुत पसंद है।
Teacher is Sonia Verma. She is my maths teacher. I don't like maths, but I like my maths teacher. I like her saying, "Are we on the same page, children?" When anyone makes noise, she says, "Thank you, thank you." I like the way she makes anyone in the co-host in every class. She says that everyone should feel like they can also handle responsibility.
My favorite sir is Bhopal sir. Good morning everyone. 36 students only, not girls friends. 42, there should be 42 students. So now we will be doing the first exercise. Good Pranav. Do it properly.
I like Kanchan ma'am. She teaches me Hindi. I like the way she teaches and when she smiles, I feel so good. When there's her class, I dance and jump a lot. She's the best teacher in the world.
Favorite teacher is Samuel sir because they help us to complete our homework with joy
and they show us many interesting stories like Samuel and Joseph, and also they play many games with us with Sarah ma'am.
The name of my favorite teacher is Mrs. Ishita Sehgal. She is our English teacher. She explains us all the concepts clearly and politely that if we don't even revise the chapters again, we will still gain full marks. Whether it's grammar or literature, she is and will remain the best English teacher ever.
My favorite teacher is Abhishek sir. He is a very funny person. He always makes us laugh. He teaches us new songs in a very innovative way.
My favorite teacher name is Miss Vanna. In fact, she is a class teacher. She teaches maths. Vanna ma'am speaks very softly. She never scolds us. She teaches very nicely. Now maths has become my favorite subject. She is very kind. When I have a doubt, she clears it in seconds.
My favorite teacher is Geetu Nayyar ma'am. She teaches us computer. She patiently listens all our queries and clears our doubts. She is polite. I like her way of teaching.
मैं आज आप सभी को मेरी मनपसंद अध्यापिका जो कि मंजू दुबे मैम है उनके बारे में बताऊंगी। वो मुझे हिंदी पढ़ाती हैं और उनके पढ़ाने का अंदाज कुछ इस तरीके से है कि जिन बच्चों को वो याद ना हो तो उससे भी जल्दी से याद हो जाता है। तो किसी का काम पूरा ना हो तो वो उसे भी डांटती नहीं है और कह देती हैं कि पूरा करो ताकि हमारी जब परीक्षाएं आए तो हमें थोड़ी सी मदद मिल जाए।
My favorite teacher is Preeti Thakur ma'am. She is very kind and makes us revise each and every concept patiently. She even takes a doubt class to solve everyone's doubts. She gives us tests on a regular basis and discusses them in class. She encourages children to participate in math events more. I really like her and I wish she would be my teacher until I finish school.
My favorite teacher is my English teacher. Her name is Pathvi Negi ma'am. She teaches us very nicely and she makes us play games. It helps us to memorize things. She tells us the tricks to revise the grammar.
My favorite teacher is Ishita Sehgal ma'am. Now I am going to enact her. Oh, Rishi, yesterday was your birthday. What did you eat on your birthday? Ma'am, I ate kheer on my birthday. Oh, kheer. Can you please bring some kheer for me also? Of course, ma'am.
My favorite teacher is Mr. Abhishek Kumar. Abhishek sir is our Indian music teacher. He teaches us to sing Hindi songs. He is a jolly, kind and generous teacher. Even when he is strict with us, he does so in a funny manner. He entertains us by mimicking us in different voices. I look forward for his class all week and enjoy it immensely.
My favorite teacher's name is Anjula ma'am. She teaches us Hindi. I like her because whenever she teaches, she speaks politely to every child. And I remember every concept of her that she made me learn.
Good morning children. How are you? So today we are going to start with our new chapter, multiples. What are multiples? Multiples are endless tables. For example, multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. So multiples are endless. Let us do some exercises. So these are the exercises. I will post the homework in Google Classroom. You can see from there. Bye.
Favorite teacher is Miss Ikita Arora ma'am. Teachers are the star who taught us how to shine. She teaches us EVS. She also teaches us good habits and moral values. She is very kind and competent, helpful and loyal.
She gives a special attention to the weaker students to make their concept clear. She is very good friend for me. She is an ideal teacher. I always love her and I always pray for her long life.
Good morning, children. Have you all done the yesterday's homework? Okay, so let's discuss one question from the homework. So, we will discuss question number 4. Who will tell me the question number 4? Okay, Khushi Singh. Correct answer. Yes, so let's do revision of factors and multiples.
My favorite teacher name is Kanchan ma'am. My teacher teach me Hindi subject and I can understand everything that she teaches. My teacher is very strict in studies but she loves me and the rest of the students. She teach all of the students very nicely.
My favorite teacher is Mrs. Roma Aluwalia ma'am. She is also our class teacher. She teaches us Hindi and our Hindi grammar. She has a very unique style of teaching with presentation.
My favorite teacher is Mrs. Sonia Abel. She teaches maths. She teaches 4th class till 5th class. She is very helpful and nice person. I love her very much.
My favorite teacher is Roma ma'am because she makes us play really fun games at class and makes us do many more fun activities. I like the way she teaches us with excitement, energy, and it's so much fun with it. And my Hindi is also really good because of it. I'm actually really glad to have a good teacher as a
My favorite teacher is Miss Akansha Chaudhary. She teaches our class science. She is also a class teacher. She has a very unique style of teaching through presentations and charts. She is very kind and loved by everyone. She is not strict and she does not scold us. She motivates us to take part in various competitions. Thank you, ma'am, for everything.
Good morning, everyone. I can see everyone is joined. Let us begin with today's class. Today we will be learning private fractions. The formula is numerator 1 multiplied by denominator 2 and denominator 1 multiplied by numerator 2. If their results come out the same, the fractions are equivalent. Let me ask someone. Chanera, please unmute yourself.
My favorite teacher is Sheena George ma'am. She is our class teacher. She teaches us English. She is very caring in nature and never made us feel bored during her classes. She is very caring towards weak students. We all like her.
Joy is so funny and kind. She teaches us very nice. She's my best teacher and my favorite.
I am in the role of the maths teacher, Sonia Abe. So today we will learn how to find the HCF. Example, HCF of 15 and 20.
आज मैं आप सभी को अपनी प्रिय अध्यापिका नीरू मैम के बारे में बताना चाहूँगा। वे हमारी क्लास टीचर हैं। वे मुझसे अच्छे से बात भी करती हैं और वे हमें अच्छे से हिंदी भी पढ़ाती हैं।
My favorite teacher is Vandana George ma'am. She is our class teacher and she teaches us maths. I like maths and she makes me understand everything very easily. She is very loving and polite and that's why she is my favorite teacher.
My favorite teacher name is Akansha Chaudhary ma'am. She is very sweet. She is very beautiful. She is very funny. She never removes us in the Zoom meeting. And she is very nice. She teaches us very humbly. But sometimes she became angry. Not every time, but frequently. When some children annoyed him or herself without asking. So now, I
perfectly. Due to pandemic, we can't meet in school, and she is new teacher to me of everyone in my class.
Hello to all. My name is Geetu. I am Vachi's favorite teacher because I am a fun-loving and spiritual person. I am very polite and friendly in nature. I like discipline very much. I am very kind to everyone. I have a very unique style of teaching. I give chance to almost everyone.
जीने की कला सिखाते शिक्षक, ज्ञान की कीमत बताते शिक्षक। किताबों की होने से कुछ नहीं होता अगर मेहनत से न पढ़ाते शिक्षक। शिक्षक दिवस की ढेर शुभकामनाएं।